This video is for those who are looking to start Forex trading or who have been struggling to find a profitable strategy to use. In this video, I am gonna now share with you the top Forex strategy that Zimbabwean traders are using right now that has been working absolute wonders for them. This strategy is very simple to understand and to implement, works on all time frames, but it works best on the higher time frames. And also, it is very adaptable and can be combined with other strategies to make it even more effective. But before we get started, if you're new here, welcome. In this channel, I post weekly videos aimed at equipping you with the necessary knowledge and mindset to become a successful trader. So hit the like button and subscribe so that you don't miss out on any valuable information. So let's get straight into it. 1. Choose the right broker. If you want to choose a regulated broker that allows Zimbabwean clients, there are only a few options available. My personal recommendation would be to go for a broker like Deriv or XNES because they allow Zimbabwean clients, and also they support payment methods that are friendly to Zimbabweans such as agents, EcoCash, Skrill, and USDT. 2. Master one strategy first. It is very important that when you are starting out, you master one strategy first before you try to move on to the next. There are a lot of strategies out there, but my personal favorite and the one that I recommend to beginners is the price action strategy. Other strategies include breakout and trend following. With the price action strategy, you can trade directional information and also reversal information. It is a strategy that works on all time frames, but works best on the higher time frames like the 4H or daily. 3. Use higher time frames. When you are using the price action strategy, it is advisable that you use the higher time frames such as the 4H or daily. These two time frames give you a clear picture of what is happening in the market, and also they have a very high accuracy rate when it comes to giving signals. The lower time frames such as the 1 minute and 5 minutes are very prone to a lot of noise, which may confuse a beginner and end up making them make wrong decisions. 4. Stick to one pair. When you are just starting out, it is advisable that you stick to one pair only. You can choose to trade Boom 500, EUR USD or XAU USD. These three pairs are the most traded pairs in the world, and also they are highly liquid. That means you will always find a buyer and a seller when trading these pairs. You should stick to one pair and master how that pair behaves first before you venture into the other pairs. 5. Risk management is key. When it comes to trading, it is very important that you have good risk management skills. The rule of thumb is that you should not risk more than 1 to 2% of your total account balance per trade. Always make sure that you have your stop losses and take profits when placing your trades. 6. Control your emotions. Most traders lose money because of their emotions getting the best of them. Revenge trading is one of the major causes of losing money in trading. When you lose a trade, do not try to recover that money in the next trade by putting a large lot size. That is called revenge trading. Learn to be patient and wait for your setup to play out. If it does not play out, then you live to fight another day. 7. Backtest your strategy. Before you start trading with real money, it is advisable that you backtest your strategy first. Backtesting is when you test your strategy on past data to see how it would have performed. This will help you to gain some confidence before you start trading with real money. 8. Use tools available in Zimbabwe. There are some tools that are restricted in some countries, but in Zimbabwe we have access to most of them. You can use Mount 5 or TradingView to view your charts. You can join a Forex community on Telegram or WhatsApp where you can get support and also get educated. 9. Keep learning. The only way you will become a successful trader is if you keep learning and also put the knowledge that you have gained into practice. You can follow local mentors or you can follow people on YouTube who educate people on trading. You can also read price action books or take courses that are offered by experienced traders. 10. Withdraw and reinvest wisely. It is not advisable that you keep all your money in your trading account. When you make profits, make sure that you withdraw some and reinvest the other part. You can reinvest that money and also use it to pay for the courses that are offered by experienced traders or mentors. And also you can invest that money in other local investments such as buying a car or investing in cryptocurrencies. So there you have it, guys, the top 10 tips that will help you to become a successful Forex trader in Zimbabwe. Make sure that you watch this video to the end because there is a lot of value in it. If you have any questions regarding Forex trading or you just want to share your trading experience, Make sure that you comment down below because I get to see and reply to every comment. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you found value in this video, please make sure that you hit the like button and also subscribe so that you don't miss out on any valuable information. See you in the next video.